The entire of Russia and Central Asian region is going to be divided into 9 sections, beginning with the East European plain that lies here, the Ural mountain ranges that extends all the way to this region, the West Siberian lowlands, the Central and the East Siberian highlands, the Yakutsk basin in the region, the Eastern highlands, a series of mountains that go on to straddle the entire east of Russia, the Verkhoyansk ranges comprising of it, the Central Asian mountains lying on the central side of it towards the north of Asia, and the Caucasus ranges.